is how to create a glass effect in Canva. Start by adding your image to the page. Then, go to the Apps section and search for Glassmaker. Open the app and, with your image selected, click to start the glass effect. Adjust the effect settings as needed. Drag the glass effect overlay on your page to cover the entire image, then add it to your design. Next, go to the Elements menu, select Frames, and search for Brushstroke. Choose a brushstroke frame and add it to your page. Now, go to the position, arrange your layers. Bring your original image to the top layer. Drag and drop this original image into the brushstroke frame. Double-click the image inside the frame to adjust its size and position, aligning it with the glass effect layer underneath. This completes the glass effect design.